What up, YouTube? Coming at y'all with another quick video. You got a Mustang 5.0 V6, any of them, and you got a wheel bearing problem. This video's for you. You can see the issue. You see that extra movement? If you're hearing like a grinding noise while you're driving and it's not your brakes, it's gonna be your problem. So let's go ahead and get this tire pulled off. All right, so we got the wheel off. As you can see, there is a few bolts back here. We got one down there, one here. You got one there, and then one right here by the axle. Both 4 bolts have to come off. So what we'll need to do is brakes and bracket have to be removed. Rotor has to come off. Axle nut has to come out. So let's go ahead and take those couple of things off. All right, so now you can get a better look. You can see the bolts go through the backside. So we're gonna get this axle nut off next, and then we'll pull those bolts out. We'll slide the whole wheel hub off and then slide the new one in. Got a 32 millimeter. You can see it there. So you can see the play a little better now. Shouldn't move like that. Should be solid. Go ahead and get these 15 millimeters out. Start off with that top one, and I'll make my way around. Get them all pulled out. Coming out, but taking a little bit of time. Oh. This side out, there we go. Just like that. Yeah, look at that thing. It's already broken. Can hear the bearings. It's out. Let's get the new one in. Better than that PB blaster and that WD-40. Here's the new part. Let's get it in. Golly. Just like that. We got that Loctite. Tighten these things all the way down. You don't want your wheel to come flying off. When you're driving, that would be bad news. So we got the new hub on. All 4 bolts are in. So let's go ahead and get the axle nut put back on. We'll get the brakes put back together, get the wheel back on, and go test drive this beast. No more forward movement, side to side, none of that extra play. All right, we are in the car. We're just gonna take it around the block. I mean, you got up to like 10 miles an hour and you can hear this thing going. See, let you guys see some nice vehicles while you're looking how to fix your own vehicle. Because I know that's why you're watching this video, because you don't want to take it to a shop. Ooh, look at that sticker. Ooh, the shop. All right, let's take this thing around the block real quick. No traffic coming.